Guy. I'm adopted. So anyways, you wanna see my Lego set? I'm just doing this for views. Here's my Lego set, and if you can see, it's like the mob spawner. Can you see? Can you see that? Do you see that? Do you? No? Okay, I'll show you anyways. Oh no, my hair's messed up. Okay. So, here's Mr. Steve, the main character of the game. What am I doing with my life? Then there is zombies right there. I'll get you a good view. Okay. That's it. Are you wondering how I did that? Say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Thank you. Gosh. Okay. You see, there's a little lever on the back that lets you do that. Please like on the video. And I know I'm weird and I never make videos like this. I usually do gaming. Check out my other channel. It's called Carter Browning. Find it, please. Doing this for views and subscribers, or maybe likes. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Bye.